Can landlord late fees violate usury laws? Imagine paying rent on time every month and then facing extra charges that seem to come out of nowhere. Have you ever wondered if those late fees are legal or if they might break some rules? Today, we're going to clear that up. Most late fees landlords charge for overdue rent do not break usury laws. Usury laws are rules that limit how much interest can be charged on loans. They don't regulate penalties for late rent payments. So, late fees are seen as a way to encourage tenants to pay on time, not as interest on a loan. Because of this, usury laws usually don't apply to late fees in rental agreements. But that doesn't mean landlords can charge any amount they want. Many states have rules about how high late fees can be, or how they must be handled. For example, some states say late fees can't be more than 5% of the rent or $50, whichever is greater. Others requiring landlords to give tenants a grace period before charging late fees. A grace period is a set number of days after the rent due date when late fees cannot be charged. In Colorado, landlords can only charge a late fee if rent is at least 7 days late. The late fee can't be more than the greater of $50 or 5% of the rent owed. The lease must clearly state the late fee amount. Landlords cannot evict tenants just for unpaid late fees, and doing so could lead to legal trouble. If landlords ignore these rules, tenants can claim damages, and landlords might face fines or penalties. To stay within the law, landlords should carefully write lease agreements that specify late fee rules. They need to follow local laws about how much they can charge, when they can charge it, and how they must notify tenants. It's important to remember that late fees are not interest or loans, so usury laws don't apply. Still, if landlords don't follow the rules about late fees, they could face legal issues or tenant complaints. In short, late fees are considered penalties, not interest. They must follow state-specific rules about amount, notice, and timing. Landlords should always make sure their lease agreements clearly state late fee policies that comply with local laws. Doing so helps avoid disputes and keeps everything fair for both sides. Charging reasonable late fees that follow the law protects landlords' rights and respects tenants' legal protections.